Hey everyone, Ryan Young here with the Young team. We're going to go over the latest news in the Cleveland real estate market, and what we're going to do is actually go over what we saw in the third quarter of 2016 and also what we're anticipating for the fourth quarter and to wrap up 2016. Alright, so let's start with the amount of homes sold in Ohio in July, which actually declined 1.1% from the level posted during July a year ago. And although it was a small drop, it was Ohio's first monthly year-to-year rate drop in 22 months. So we also saw sales decline in July from the level reached to June, decreasing 2.7%. Sales also slipped from July to August for all of Ohio, and August was the 15th month in a row where there were actually fewer listings on the market across the country than there were from the year before. So we saw buyer traffic diminish in the last couple months, but one of the large reasons was because we really don't have a lot of inventory on the market. We did see once September hit, a large amount of inventory hit the market. I think a lot of that has to do with buyers or sellers actually getting out of the summer, getting their kids back in school, getting through Labor Day, and then we saw this large influx. So there was a decent amount of inventory hit the market in September, but we've seen a really healthy September as well as October in terms of the amount of transactions. So what does this mean for you? Right now, the third going into the fourth quarter is always one of the best times in our market to sell. We see a lot of motivation from both buyers and sellers wanting to get in before the end of the year. And so if you're thinking about it, now's the time. On to home prices, the market is actually continuing to experience a steady, modest rise in the average sales price from the third quarter of last year. We've actually seen the median existing home price in August at about $240,000, which was up 5.1% compared to August 2015 at $228,000. Also, the average sales price in Ohio was up about 7.1% in August, when also compared with from the year before. That marks the 54th consecutive month of year-over-year price gains, which is phenomenal. What's interesting is Cleveland moves a little bit slower than the rest of the nation. We're at about our market's increasing at about 2.5%, while the rest of the nation's at about 5%. So just kind of interesting that Cleveland is a little bit slower, but also a little bit more stable than the rest of the market. And then also, what we've noticed is with these interest rates still record lows, we're still seeing a lot of buyers really wanting to get in while these interest rates are where they are. And we also have a lot of sellers that have a lot of confidence in where the market is right now. So we're really looking forward to the fourth quarter of 2016. We're anticipating the numbers to continue to rise. We're excited to round out the year. The Cavs got a championship, and now it's time for the Indians to win one too. It's a great time to buy and sell, and we're here to help.